Ka-chow.
Okay, we're gonna install this trailer hitch on this 2013 Prius on the ground in this parking garage. We're gonna start by undoing 1, 2, 3, okay? 3 for this bracket, and then over here you can see this tow hook and those 2 bolts there. So you can see how hard it is to fit the 1/2-inch drive in here. So I really recommend using a small socket so that it doesn't get caught behind this, or if you have a 3/8 it would probably fit better. These are 19s. So I just sprayed some white lithium grease on both of these, and we are gonna use a small pry bar to see if we can pop this off its little home here. And then that way we'll have a little more wiggle room with the exhaust. I'm gonna do this before both of those bolts are out. Okay, it took 2 hands, but you can just pop this off of that. And then we've got 1, 2 bolts here that are 19s. It does help to be able to push this out of the way so you can access this bolt. I loosened them, but I'm going to take them all the way out so that I don't accidentally drop the bolts in this plastic splash shield. If you managed to drop one, like I did, what you can do is undo this little piece right here, and then your magnet can go in here so that you can actually reach back here to get where you dropped it. When you're doing this by yourself, you have to get super creative with your body positioning. So to get these ones, it's helpful to put my knee here so I could then reach up in here and get these ones going. So. Okay, so this was such a pain to start that I'm going to show you the trick that I used. First thing is these bolts go back in way easier than these ones. So you're going to start the passenger side. I have 1 bolt loosely holding up that side, but if you start this one, then you'll be able to move the exhaust aside to get that one going. And then I'm going to back this one out and put the correct bolt in. I might even put a little bit of Loctite on there. And then you can move over and put those ones in. Now this is in like literally 2 threads. Okay, then you're going to torque these to 86 foot-pounds, which I did not think was too much. So make sure you get in there and actually do it. Make sure that if you loosened this, that now you put it back. Just slides back on over there.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.